Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here of Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to look, listen, and feel your Bolex to tell if the pressure plate has been seated properly before filming. So, let's get started with that. First, look. As we can see here, the pressure plate has been seated properly. If it was not, it would be like so. But now we're going to close it, seat it properly as it is right there, and give it a listen. Okay, now that I've pre-wound the Bolex, we're going to give it a listen. Become accustomed to the sound of this Bolex when the pressure plate is seated properly. Again, become accustomed to that sound. Next, feel. Put your hand on the back body. Press the film button at the bottom where my thumb is. Then put your hand on the front. Feel. Become accustomed to the feeling of how the camera operates when the pressure plate is seated properly. Now we're going to listen to it when the pressure plate is seated improperly. Now I'm going to unseat the pressure plate. You can tell it's been seated improperly. Next, we're going to look, listen, and feel of how the camera operates when the pressure plate is seated improperly. Now, listen to where the pressure plate has been seated improperly. Become accustomed to the sound. You'll notice it sounds like a vintage projector. This is the sound of a Bolex H16 Reflex when the pressure plate is seated improperly. Next, feel. The camera, the Bolex, will really vibrate in your hands if you can't hear that loud sound. The feeling is a loud knocking noise. So there you have it. The tip here is that to relax and concentrate on the camera when you're filming. You're going to be excited for the first time filming and have a lot of things on your mind any other time that you're filming. Make sure that you look, listen, and feel to make sure that pressure plate is seated properly, so you're not going to waste any film. Alright? Hope you've enjoyed this video. Do subscribe. Click that bell and subscribe. Alright? Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. See ya!